Work is always demanding more. We're managing more information across more apps while working from more places. But we're still spending too much time searching for things, jumping from app to app, and completing admin tasks, which makes it harder than ever to focus on high-impact work. What if you could reimagine the way you work, starting with where most people start every day, in email? Introducing Gmail for Business. Gmail brings the core elements of work together, so you can get more done. Write and respond to emails faster with pre-suggested responses that sound just like you. Get nudges that remind you to follow up and respond to messages so that nothing slips through the cracks. Join video meetings with live captioning and screen sharing when you need a face-to-face connection. Google Workspace brings the core elements of work together and makes them work better together. Chat with your team, jump into shared files, create a task from a message, find files and messages faster within Gmail. Google Smart Search connects all of your Google Workspace applications together. Gmail makes remote work easy and secure. Everything is cloud-based and optimized for mobile, making it easier than ever to be productive anywhere. And it's backed with Google-grade security, so you know you're in good hands. Start producing more with your extremely valuable time. Move your business to do more. Get a custom email address along with your go-to apps like Gmail, Meet, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Calendar, Drive, and more. Add up to 30 email aliases for every Google Workspace user to get the most out of your inbox. Move your business to do more with Google Workspace. Start your free trial today at 101domain.com.